Hey foodies! If you love trying something new and refreshing, I've got a special treat for you today. Jamun kulfi. It's creamy, dreamy, and bursting with the sweet tart flavor of jamun or Indian black plum. First up, I grab 2 cups of ripe jamun, wash and deseed them, then blend them with a splash of lemon juice. This really makes that purple color pop. I strain the pulp for a silky texture, but that's totally optional if you like a little bite. Next, I take 2 cups of full-fat milk and let it simmer until it's reduced and extra creamy. If I'm feeling fancy, I mix in a bit of corn flour for a thick, luscious base. Now, time to sweeten things up. Add sugar, a hint of cardamom, and let that cool down a bit. Once the milk mixture isn't too hot, I stir in my jamun pulp and a generous cup of condensed milk. And yes, I always take a cheeky taste to check the sweetness. Then I pour this gorgeous purple mix into kulfi molds, or any container with a lid, slide in the sticks, and tuck it into the freezer for at least 6 hours. But overnight is even better. When it's time to eat, I dip the molds in warm water for a few seconds, pop out the kulfi, and top it off with crunchy pistachios or almonds. It's cool, tangy, and so perfect for summer. Try this out and let me know how your jamun kulfi turns out. Stay cool and keep snacking.